personality put day here with the R8, the V10, oh yeah, and the GTR, looking good in this blue. And oh, look at that little yellow arrow. Oh, that was a tongue twister. Oh yeah, look at the new carbon hood as well. Okay, getting feisty already. Alright, let's head out before we get kicked off. So we're just gonna do a little shoot around Ashby at some industrial areas. So let's see how it goes. Time to tear up the village. That V10 though, gotta love that accentuated blow-off valve. Where has Ryan taken us? The V10, the heart, the beast. Oh yeah, look at that booty. Let's check out the interior as well. Just so clean with that red stitching. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh yeah, you're at Screwfix. Okay, not a bad day. It's not even that cold. We're out here with the cider. Oh yeah, wonderful. Look at the duo. Yeah, Tom Hartley. It says no parking only for Tom Hartley, but oh well. Who will know? Getting that startup, about to park the cars for that shot. Let me do the direction. I'll show you how it's done. So we're gonna have one in front of the other at the diagonal, and the R is gonna be in front since it is lower. Oh yeah, time to do a little walk around with the two beasts parked next to each other. Oh yeah, that is a shot. Let me get that polarization. Alright, so now I'm gonna park the cars next to the garage shutters. One car facing in and the other car facing out. I'm gonna put the GTR facing out to show off that carbon hood. So this is pretty much how it's gonna look, like that at the opposites. Oh yeah, not bad. Look at how much meaner the front end looks with that carbon hood though.
It was better the first time.
I don't know who set the alarm, but oh well. Anyhow, let's do that out. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna head down the road to the next location that Ryan has found us. Let's see how it goes. So we're here at the next spot in between these two buildings. It's a bit windy, but oh well, I hope you can hear me. Yeah, the R8 looking mean. This is the perfect road to do some launch control. So let's hit this V10. Those pops though, and the blow right from the GTR at the same time. Alright, let's hear this. He's a mad guy though. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Damn, look at how mean it looks. The dark blue in the shade with the R8 behind lurking with those headlights. Just your average Audi. Those headlights are so mean. Wow. And the beauty of the GTR. Let me give you another little walk around. What's gonna do it? That was insane. Another little rev there. Wonderful. So time to head back to Tesco to get some fuel. Damn, he's gone in the R8.
Taking Porsche.
Let's see if I get run over. Nope, I got lucky this time. So we're off to the next spot, which is this power station in the countryside. We might get some food before though, so let's see how it goes. the McDonald's. Alright, so we grabbed some food and now we're on the way to the power station to get some photos. Nice little tunnel action here. Ooh, the V10. Another underpass here. And here we are, parked at the next spot. Quite a scenic location here with this background of the chimneys. Yeah, these shots are gonna be good. Gonna have a little lunch as well. So perfect. Oh yeah, look at that view. Rare end with those iconic tail lights. Oh yeah. About to get run over again. Whoa, okay. Got some random bike here that just pulled up. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, he's pulling a wheelie. Man, just look at that duo and that view of the power station. What a scenic location. Amazing. Little baby revs there. These bikes are just everywhere. Alright, so it's just about to do another launch here on this straight empty road. Well, that was a cool little spot. And this is how rollers are shot behind the scenes. Cool car truck here. So we're gonna park here up at McDonald's to get away from the heat for a bit, because it's getting a bit too rowdy. The two beasts here at McDonald's again. Well, we have some cop following us. Let's see if he pulls us over.